Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more update. Today we are explore comparison arrow split in Photoshop. Create a new document and select the custom shape tool. Also choose a double arrow split shape and draw the shape horizontally. No change, fill color to dark gray. Duplicate the shape. Resize the duplicate slightly smaller. Change its color to lighter gray and align both arrows perfectly. Add text on left and right sides. Adjust font size for balance. Group both layers and double click the top arrow layer. Also add subtle drop shadow, then press OK. Zoom out to preview. Check each and everything.